fire and snow. Voices of a north in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the old gods stand, through the storm and the blood-red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
And when the horn sounds, you don't hear just me. It's the echo of kin, it's the whole family. Shoulder to shoulder, shield war tight. We don't run from the battle, we bring the fight. You thought it was one man, nah. Look at the line, every time I call, they arrive right on time. I am the Droger, I am Viking true. When I lift my voice, my people come through. From the mountain to the street, from the sea to the shore. We stand as one, we are stronger than war. You cannot control us, you cannot divide. We stand with the power, we